Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin the ECG now. Make sure your Apple Watch Ultra is snug and the wrist sensor has skin contact. You'll open the ECG app directly on the watch. Once done, sit comfortably with your forearm on a table and relax. Movement creates noise and invalid readings. You'll touch the digital crown with a finger from your opposite hand to complete the circuit. This tells the watch to record a lead eye-style ECG. Take a slow breath. Settle for the recording period. Now you'll run the 30-second recording and monitor the waveform. You touch the digital crown using the index finger of your opposite hand and keep both arms still. The watch shows a real-time trace and a countdown so you know progress. While it records, focus on breathing evenly and note any symptoms like dizziness or palpitations. Those timestamps are useful later. If the watch warns of poor contact or motion, gently adjust fit. When the recording ends, you'll see the result and can save it to the health app on your iPhone. Add notes about any symptoms and the time you felt them so clinicians get context. Once saved, export a PDF or share the result from the health app if you need to send it to a doctor. If you get repeated errors, make sure skin is dry, increase snugness, restart the watch, and check for a watch OS update. These steps fix most connection and sensor issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.